I had a burning dream to use technology to improve my tennis game. Let me show you my journey. From the get-go, I knew that to improve my serves, volleys, and ground strokes, I wanted to use a technology called pose detection. My original plan was to train some ML models that will look at the poses of my tennis shots and try to output some percentage scores to signify how good my shots were. But I quickly realized I couldn't gather enough data for every single tennis shot that I could possibly hit. So I decided to focus on the quintessential tennis shot, the serve. I screen recorded 2,500 serves across all skill levels. But rather than giving every serve a percentage score, which is relatively unhelpful, I developed 8 performance indicators, like jump height and feet spacing. But my ML models were completely failing to converge on my dataset. In other words, the current form of my data was useless. So I chose to completely change the nature of my data, using a statistical approach that I developed at my COVID classification internship at the University of Washington. I transformed my data from a time series of human body poses into a collection of probability histograms and trained multiple XGBoost classifiers on the results. I was amazed. So I successfully developed an AI pipeline that would help my own tennis serve, but I saw the chance to help tons of other tennis players. So I contacted Swing Vision, another AI-powered tennis app, in the hopes that they could integrate my XGBoost models with their shot detection system, but they never responded. So I built my own serve detection algorithm, and to back that up, I bundled this algorithm with my XGBoost classifiers into a free-to-download app that is completely available for offline use, so that anyone with an iPhone can use my app, ServePlus, at any time. And while ServePlus is just about the tennis serve, the data engineering techniques behind it have many widespread applications, such as detecting atrial fibrillation in a heartbeat. My journey is far from over. I am and will always be committed to the journey of free AI-powered coaching for tennis.